back we stood. I needed cash, I called up the fats, and they came like angels in the sky. Oscar Mike, Oscar Mike, I heard a voice on the radio say, as we lay there on the ground barely breathing,
Yen Yen, you were that kid on the rooftop, counting clouds like they were friends. Kicked your shoes in the gutter, swore you'd never come down again.
bird in the sky, you don't owe the ground a thing. If they call you too high, let them talk while you grow your wings. Bird in the sky, yeah, you're meant for bigger wings. You don't have to ask them why, just fly, just fly. Everyone's stuck at the crosswalk, staring red lights in the face. You draw maps on your napkin to all the places they're scared to chase.
They'll say be careful,
Stay close,
but they never seen your view.
up where the small talk gets quiet, the air feels made for you.
You're a blur on the blue, just a speck over town.
Paper cup in my hand, watching you circle around. Little wing in the wind, riding currents I can't see. You just go where you go, I just stay where my feet meet the street. Bird in the sky, how do you always find the high road? How do you never look behind? Bird in the sky, teach me to lean into the unknown, to let the ground slip out of my mind.
You don't carry a map,
You don't check if it's safe.
you just lean on the lift of the air and a
Little bit of faith. Down here I count my steps, trace the cracks in the concrete. You draw circles in clouds, leave my worries a dot underneath. One deep breath, neck craned back, sun in my eyes till the colors flash. If I jump now, will I just fall or find a wind that's been here all along? As the bullets flew, I cried and I cried as we nearly died. In came the angels of the sky. My mind blurred as the earth around me shuddered and shook. It disappeared in the fluff and a puff.
We kicked some mud,
I
soon we were back.
standing back to back
Alisa and Paul,
once again. Just a pity I clipped his wings.